Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can copy camera raw filters in Photoshop. So let's say this is the image where I wanna do some color grading from camera raw filter, and that color grading I wanna copy paste on this image. How you can do that? Firstly, let me select the first image. Once you select the image, go to filter and let's choose the option camera raw filter in order to do some color grading on the first image. Now just right here on camera raw filter window, whatever changes you want to do to your image, you can just do that. Now guys, once you do all the changes to your image, it's time to copy this color grading. So for that, just click on these three little dots and here you will see this option copy edit settings. So just click on that, and for now just let me save these changes to this image. So for that, click on OK. Now we have color graded version of this image, and in order to paste same settings on this image, we need to select the image where we want to paste the settings. Then go to filter, again select the option camera raw filter, and just because we had copied the settings, we're gonna paste that on this image. So for that, click on these three little dots again and just choose the option paste edit settings. And yeah, you can see that they have applied the same settings or same effects to the second image, and that's what we want. Now in order to save this, just click on OK. So yeah, this is the first way which you can use to copy camera raw filters, but this way is not that efficient than the second way. And the second way is that firstly you need to hit right click on the image where you wanna do color grading. Hit right click on that layer, click on convert to smart object. Similarly, we're gonna do that to the second image. Hit right click, click on convert to smart object, then select the first image where you wanna apply camera raw filter first. Go to filter, choose the option camera raw filter. Now again you can go ahead with your color grading or color correction, whichever you like, you can go ahead with that. Once your color correction or color grading is done, click on OK. And yeah, there you go. As you can see that under the image they have added smart filters, and one of the filter is camera raw filter. So in order to copy and paste this filter to the another image, what we need to do, just hold your Alt key from the keyboard, hold your left click on the camera raw filter and just drag and drop this to the another image. And yeah, they have applied the same filter to the another image, and that's what we want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.